Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how to buy crypto on KuCoin with credit card. First, go to KuCoin.com. Once you go there on the main website, log into your account. Once you log into your account on the main page, you will see on the top left hand side next to KuCoin logo where it says buy crypto. Once you click that, and then a list of different ways to buy crypto will come up: fast trade, business to business, and third party. For this tutorial, we want to buy by credit card, so we will click where it says fast trade. Once you click that, then you'll come to this page where you can buy crypto with credit card. So the only way you could buy is deposited with any currency you want. For example, Canadian dollars or pounds, British pounds, Australian dollar, USDT, or any other currency that you could see on this list. For my case, I am in Australia, so I will choose Australian dollar. So once you choose that, and then you will receive it in USDT, so it will convert it your currency. So you've got between $15 to $7,000 that you could buy with credit card. For this case, I'll just choose $50, which is translates to about $31 USDT. Once you do that, and then you just click buy USDT, then it will transfer you to this page where you need to put your card information, your name, your last name, card number, and expiry date. Once you put all the information that is required, then you press next. Once you press next, then it will take you to this next page where it will ask you your billing address. For example, the country you're in, your address, your zip code, and the city. Once you fill all the necessary information, then you click confirm. Once you click confirm, and then you will come to this next page, it will direct you to double check that your information is right, saying that you need to deposit in $50, which is a currency of 31 USDT. And then it will show where it says pay with. It will show your credit card there. I covered it for security reasons. And then you will just say buy USDT. So, and in the bottom, you will even show you the currency exchange. As you can see, one USDT is for $1.58 for Australian, it will say. So any currency you want, it will tell you there the exchange rate and everything, and how much you get in it. So once you click confirm, and then it will take you to the next page, which is this page. It will say you are buying 31 USDT with the credit card information up there. It will show you the price and the fee. For this, the fee is just $1, as you can see, which is very good. Charged in higher fees. And then once you click confirm, it will deposit the money into your account, and that's how you buy crypto on KuCoin using credit card. Thank you for watching, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.